All right, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anyway, 2020 has been a very great year. I'm just going to warn all of you here today. All of you. The next time you did church, December 31st, 12 midnight, then the pastor want wish you happy new year. Call, shout, tell your neighbor something big is coming your way this year. Pause and ask which thing. But the lockdown, I learned many things. I learned a lot of things. It has been proven that men cheat more than women. And men not just they cheat too, desperate cheaters. Upon this lockdown, men were still horny, even with their wives at home, under the same roof. No movement, government ban movement. A man, I will not mention his name, in Lekki, paid bullion van to go and bring his girlfriend from Ekpe. So that police no go disturb them to send their money. Another man in Ikoyi, paid somebody, bought a brand new Toyota Hiace, long bus. Then they come Brandam as ambulance. They use that they go pick your girlfriends from different places. And this period where all of us day house, if you get sense, you go come realize, say, all those who they always sell different drugs, it will make you say, it will increase your one thing, it will boost your immune. So now all those things they work because everybody can go buy vitamin C for chemists. So all those herbal medicine, you go say on top woman, you go this. So all of us did without those things for house and we still survive. So that means we go day okay. Because they always talk and say, no matter what you, if you like, drink bratashi, drink kunu. When it's your time to come, you will come. Yeah, you go just come. You go come. Not be you go just they drink different things for another person's daughter. No, if they drink what you're picking like that, how you go feel? NCDC, they have tried giving us steady updates, results of the COVID-19 patients of different states. They don't try. Una clap for them, they don't try. They try. You know, many people are going to say, oh, they are not showing us pictures. They are not this. No, Nigerians, we doubt too much. Coronavirus is deadly. It's deadly. Take it like that and follow the precautions. Most person where you know die before you go start to be careful. Just be careful for free. Show us pictures that Nigerians are very hard to please. Buhari first announced lockdown because he complained. This Buhari is so clueless. What is he feeling like? This is what you see when a malam rules you. They rule you like cow. The man think, because say, these people complain too much. Okay, he won't ease the lockdown. Now he ease them. It not even reach 2 days. As one video where people take gather food bank, fly. Nigerians go back to Twitter. Buhari, you are so clueless. So this is how you want to kill the people in this country. Please, let the lockdown continue. Buhari just look and say, okay, I cannot cope. Most of our private jet, take me to London. Buhari not in this country as we talk now. Now the boys where they paint past, now those self-employed boys, where we say they are work, now Naira bet, Niger bet, the SIM card there, they take trouble. Ask Amaya, no betting. The guy not fit cope. God will need to sleep. This coronavirus result now they take they play betting. Then they play Lagos over 80.5. Now Kogi they tear people ticket Kogi. If you play Kogi over 0.1, even 0 you know go see. Kogi need the get case. Boys they use and they play this thing. And this face mask they introduce now is good. You know, I mean, it's to avoid droplets from your nose when you sneeze or from your mouth. It's good. But one thing I want to tell you now today, if you must wear face mask, I beg, brush your mouth. Because now day before yesterday somebody collapsed for Lekki here. They call ambulance because everybody say the guy don't get corona. Only for doctor to bust out, they run test. What do the guy? Doctor say more relax. Because he said the doctor they laugh. Baba, waiting now walks up, talk to us. What's happened to the guy? He said, well, the guy we wear mask. He said the guy no brush. before he wear the mask. So the guy mouth odor and they suffocate the guy. So if you must use face mask, endeavor to brush your mouth. Because if you dey bad say your own mouth odor kill you, that means you kill yourself by yourself. Because your burial poster, what did they want to write? They cannot put after a brief illness. You cannot put a fatal, or what we could put? Say, who died after killing himself? By himself. And you know Nigeria are the only country where they change your destiny. Like if you travel to England, yeah, ask small pikin, 5 years old, say, you, what's your dream? What do you want to be when you grow up? You go see them with confidence. Well, when I grow up, I want to become an astronaut. Go check them out 20 years later. You'll be astronaut. America, the same thing. Ask them about you. What's your dream? What do you want to be when you grow up? Well, when I grow up, yeah, I just want to become a motherfucking doctor. Go check them out 20 years later. You'll be doctor. Nigeria, 9 years old speaking. You never know what you want to be. So when you ask them that question, say, you, what's your dream? What do you want to be when you grow up? The thing they shock them. You go call say, Me, you go say yes. What's your dream? You say, well, when I grow up, I want to become a marine engineer. Just the grow. Even marine spirits, you know, go see follow work. Not be this country, where we say Ministry of Works, now they get work to do.
Now you're thinking, why is there a logo of Origin on the right side of the screen? Why am I thirsty all of a sudden?
You know, like see Lagos now. Lagos is fun. We're having this show. It's quite sunny outside. The sun hot. Nobody they threaten you. You do your show, you go home in peace with your money. I live in Benin. They are nice people. But when it comes to spirituality, don't joke with them. Now, Benin, I for one do show. Now that they are not say wishes are wizard. They get association and they get marketers. As with the setup for money, they arrange speaker. Now one old man just first throw pass, like 83 years old, throw pass. They shake. My begin. Oh, well done. Oh, now you be the I go slave. I said no, sir, I go save. Oh, I go slave, I go save. All are the same. Now you they do the show. I say yes. Okay. You they see the weather, Sha? I say yes, Baba. Sun they shine. Okay. But rain go follow. Not be now, it go be later, but it go fall. With the orange, Sha, if you talk to us now, it go ship. If you call us when everywhere down black, now emergency be that, we go charge you times 4. I say, Baba, they go, I believe in God. There's nothing God cannot do. Now the guy say, no problem. We see the setup. We call they do sound check. Everybody they happy, the sun they shine. Now another old woman call they pass. Now well done. Oh, this one I sure go full of. We they see him. Now they look up so. Rain go soon start to follow. If we not call us now, it go good. But if we not want call, we not go force una. But we not go must call us. Out of fear, I say, Mommy, oh come. How much to hold the rain? Now the woman said 10,000. I was shocked. I don't know why Juju they always ship. When the woman tell me say 10,000, I say for how many liters of rain? He said the whole rain. Out of joy, I called verse dash 100,000. That was my mistake. I don't know, say if you overplease Juju, Juju go overwork. As I dash the woman 100,000, everywhere though they dark for rain before. Suddenly the weather got bright. Around to 7 now they talk so. Sun called the shine. I called this. I called call I go die. I called Bush. She said, "Oh, I don't see this kind of thing before." They say, "Now that mama now they run." I say, "Hey." Time called it 7 o'clock. Heavy sun called the shine. 8 o'clock the sun still the shine. 9 o'clock the sun heavy. Now I take my phone. Call the mama. Say, "Hello, mama. The sun too much. I bet more reduce. And people go to say this show now tomorrow. I beg." They call reduce the sun. As they reduce the rain, call start to fall. Heavy rain. I call they call mama, call mama, call mama, call mama. Mama need a pick. After like 10 o'clock, rain all these poetins. Now I press a pick. Now man voice. Hello? Where mama? Una dey craze? I don't give una money. Why rain dey fall? Una want my mess una up? Now the man say, my pikin, shut up your mouth. The rain where they fall so hold me here. It does put bike for my neck. Water don't enter plug. Wait, when the water go down, we'll go continue this journey. Okay, so ladies, okay. Ladies, listen to me. You are beautiful the way you are. You are beautiful the way you are. All of you are beautiful the way you are. Though not all of you are very, very beautiful as I'm speaking. But you are okay the way you are. No need to go, they spend money, they do yash. 1 million naira. It's stupid. What's the essence? 1 million for yash. How much for a plot of land for Ekbe? You just carry Ekbe 100 by 100 for body de waka. It doesn't make any sense. Women are doing liposuction and it's crazy. It's really crazy. It annoys me. In case you don't know what liposuction means, liposuction is a process of diverting belly fat or fat from any part of the body to another part of the body. But these days now, they divert belly fat to yash. So if you look Instagram, you see some girls with small waist, big yash. Those ones don't divert all the fat within their waist to the yash. Now those things, you don't say anything with fake, you must the service. When we say during this lockdown, you cannot contact your service provider. So she and less yash go just the house. Yes, the yash they less. You get where you go, they go less. That's why I like that time where the yash now foam tight. You just go yaba buy am. That time guess with confidence, no shame. Then they go there, unilag guess. They don't no shame. They just go there straight. Hello, what's up, madam? With their British accent, with the confusing. Ma'am, how much is the brown yash? This one foam the rise now 7,000. Okay, it's fine. Madam, we'll give you the 3, 10,000. There was confidence, no low self-esteem. It was okay. The business Yasho called it boom. Now the difference, that foam, now Oyibo foam. If you use a sedan for club, get up. As you sit down, you go press normal, you hear. As you sit down, you hear. Then when you get up, before 30 seconds, it rise back. All this why when this Nyash business they boom for Yaba. Igbo people they observe the business. When the Nyash business peak, Inewe boys, now they call their brother for Inewe. Emeka, Nyash business is booming. All you have to do, buy tight and sew it foam. That's not the last instruction. They're not telling the kind foam. Those boys can go put any foam. They can import over 7.50 barrel of Nyash enter Lagos. As the Yash enter, they can reduce the price to 2.8. Because see guess. All the Q-Loss, all the Cubana. You know the space, now Yash, the food everywhere. Now the problem be say, if you buy that same Yash, Igbo people need not the same. But when you take a sit down, you hear that same noise. That. But now when you get up from like here, you come the waka. The foam need to release quick back. It takes time. So if you be the trekking type, you the trek they go like that Koyito gate now. You go they go, nothing go happen all through this road. Till you don't reach the roundabout. You call the year. Every 20 minutes you hear. Now you hear the rise. Small children go they chase you. Auntie, it's like your yash is rising. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much just for time. Yeah.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. Your host, Brad A.K. Basketball. Keep it going for I Can Save, please. Keep it going for I Can Save. Join us same time next week, 7 p.m. The home of original comedy, Sunday Night Laughs. See you guys.
Sunday Night Laughs, brought to you by Barron's World and Zing Network. Powered by Origin.